Alright, what's up YouTube? Got a few more boxes in from DNA. 2010 baseball mostly from Tops, but I also got brand new 09-10 SPx Hockey. Obviously looking for some more Tavares rookie action. 18 packs, 4 cards a pack. Should get one rookie auto per box. Let us see how we do. Alright, pack 1. Oh, they're nice base cards. Jeff Carter, get a look at the base on those. Very shiny. Nice and pronounced. Camilleri. Decoy, yes. Andre Markov, Kyle Okser. Guess we're looking at the usual 100 card base set or so. Not quite sure. Looks like we got one of our hits here. Nick Rash. Oh, it's a patch. Sergei Gonchar, Christopher Letang from the Penguins. And just have a look at that nuts blue patch there. It's sort of poking out. There's so much of it. They just tried to stick a truckload in there. 22 or 25. Couldn't be Crosby, of course, because, you know, that'd be too easy. Alright, next pack. That pack's pretty sick. Alright, so we got Mario Lemieux, Jeff Green, Decoy, Marty Turco, Brian Campbell. Really nice base. Definitely have to get the full set. Got another box of this as well to bust open too, so it should be fun. Senin, Getzlaff, Decoy, Sam Gagner and Teemu Selänne. I'll try and keep this all in one hit as much as I can. Next up we've got Scott Gomez, Chris Osgood, then we've got an SP Excitement, Mario Lemieux, numbered to 999. That's quite exciting. And Zetterberg base on the end. Oh, what else we got? Sidney Crosby base, Uzerman, then we got a Winning Materials, Drew Stafford, not numbered. Not as good as the patch, which was nuts. You got Vincent LeCavalier and Michael Frolik. Next up, Patrick Marleau, Chris Drury, Patrick Elias and Sher Weber. Glad I bought this on the pre-sale. I'm hoping I'm getting one of the better boxes from the case. Patch is nice. Richter Petro. Then we got SP Excitement of Luke Shen, numbered 999. Cam Ward, Jordan Stahl for the Penguins. No rookies yet, and they'll still be down the bottom. What do we got? Okay, so this should be one of the rookies. We've got Bobby Ryan, Patrick Berglund, and we've got our rookie Sergei Shirokov for the Canucks, numbered to 799. Donny Hartley, Ryan Smythe, Tommy Smith with a Y. Alright, so we've got Marian Hossa, and then we've got our rookie order. We've got Phil Cassell there. The rookie order is of Brian Salcedo, numbered 799. Not really sure how he fared in the draft. Maybe someone can let me know. Oh, well, that means Tavares is in the other box. I'm guessing the rest is probably going to just be base. Yeah, Mason Varnek, Mark Savard, Mike Richards, Milan Hajduk, Nicholas Backstrom, Patrick Roy, Darren Cogliano. There you got Drew Doughty, SP Excitement, Carey Price for the Canadiens, Booth Base. Still 5 packs left. Still quite a number of packs. I prefer the SPx where you get sort of a hit per pack rather than the more packs. Mark Messier, Stuart Little, Olszewski, Jason Blake. No Ovechkin or Malkin base yet. I'm sure they're coming soon. We got another hit in here. It's got Spezza base, Koivu base, and then we've got a winning trios numbered 36 of 50. Jussi Jokinen, Sergei Samsonov, and Tuomo Ruutu, all for Carolina. Numbered 36 of 50. A few short prints coming out, it's quite good. See if we can't get another hit. Let's try and get super lucky, eh? Gordie Howe base, Eric Stahl base. Then we've got a SPx rookie, Braden Holtby for the Capitals. And then we got Jussi Jokinen on the end. Second last pack, the penultimate pack. We got some kind of hit in there. Simon Gagne, Joe Thornton, and it's a jersey card. It's come out a bit cornered. It's parallel. 5 of 25, Marian Gaborik. Jersey parallel. Alright, we've got Kessler and Steven Stamkos on the end. Last pack. Let's see how we do. Alright, so it's a decoy in the last pack. Mike Modano, Zdeno Chara, and Shane Doan, and Dedon Setoguchi. Alright, 19 SPX. I should have another box up pretty soon. Thanks.